Today we will look how to install Unity Hub in a Windows machine. Search for Unity Hub in Google and click on the first link. Then click on download Unity Hub and save the file. Click on the installer. Click on agree and click install to install the Unity Hub in our machine. Click on finish. We have successfully installed Unity Hub in our machine. If you are already having a Unity ID, click on here to log in. If you are not having it, click on create Unity ID. Enter in your email address. Choose a password. Select a unique username. And enter your full name. Check the options and click on create a Unity ID. We will receive a confirmation regarding the account creation in our email. We have to verify it for going further. Click on the link to confirm the email address and click continue. If you see this license error, click on reactivate. Choose your license management, whether you are using Unity Plus or Pro or using Unity Personal, and choose the income that you are earning from Unity according to what you are earning. Fill in the Unity survey. And click on OK button. To install Unity in our machine using Unity Hub, click on the install now button. We can see all the official releases made by Unity in this tab, and the beta version is also available in the beta release tab. So we can go for the new release. Click on download and choose the platforms you are in need, like Android build support, Android SDK and NDK tools. If you are using iOS, then you have to choose iOS build support. Select Euphoria if you are using augmented reality. Choose WebGL if you are using web-based, browser-based gaming. And this is the official documentation. And if you want To choose the language, we can choose that also. Yeah, the download has started already. Yeah, we have completed the installation of Unity in our machine. We can see the installed version in our machine by clicking on the On My Machine tab of the Unity Hub. To create a new project, we need to click on Projects tab and click on New Project. Select the appropriate name for your project. Choose whether we are creating a 2D or 3D environment. We can change it later in the editor also. Then click on Create. Yeah, we have successfully installed Unity in our Windows machine. If you like this video, please leave a like. Thank you for watching.